Hi guys, Monarch Buto here. For today's video ay review natin itong ating NMAX Underseat Organizer by Immortal. Bago lang dating ang ating product. So ito siya, galing from Immortal. So this Underseat Organizer ay good for NMAX version 1 and version 2. Then as you can see, may dalawa siyang malaking lalagyan for any kind of documents like ORCR, any kind of papers, documents. Yan. So, may free sticker to na binigay ng Immortal at saka tatlong screw para doon natin yan ilagay sa loob. Buksan muna natin yung ating one. Yan. Kita nyo naman. Diyan natin nalalagay itong ating organizer. So, yun na nga, no? Natapos ko na ikabit yung ating organizer. So, kita nyo yan. Yung sticker ko dito ko nilagay. Para medyo maganda naman tingnan ng ating loob.